Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, can you see something in my hand? Yes, you are right. It's a national flag. And children, can you think of the national festival which is coming? Yes, it's Independence Day. So why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day because on this day our country got independence. And in which year? In the year 1947. So let's explore India. At present, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir has been bifurcated into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And you know what? The newest state of India is Telangana. Now we'll look it in the map. Children, this is a map of India. So what we read? We read that the newest state of India is Telangana. Yes. So we can see Telangana here. And what else we read? We read that the state of Jammu and Kashmir has been bifurcated into two union territories, one of Jammu and Kashmir and the other one is of Ladakh. So this map is having 28 states and 8 union territories. Children, I would like to tell you all that Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India in terms of population and Sikkim is the least populated state. So now we can see this in the map also. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state. Yes, we can see that Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in terms of population. And which is the least populated one? It's Sikkim. Yes. Now, if we talk about the largest and the smallest state of India in terms of area, then the largest state of India by area is Rajasthan. We can see here. Yes. And the smallest one is Goa. Children, see, this is the largest state in terms of area and this is the smallest state. And you know what? Which is the highest peak of India? Yes, it's Kanchenjunga. Yes, we can see it's the highest peak. So this was all about the facts of India. Now the second topic is musical instrument. And I am sure that you all like to play musical instruments and I have seen you also in the school in your music class. Yes. So I will tell you more about it. Musical instrument is a device for producing a musical sound. The principal types of such instruments classified by the method of producing sound are percussion, keyboard, stringed, wind and electronic. Children, what are stringed instruments? By plucking the strings, music is produced in these instruments and the most popular stringed instruments are guitar and veena. We can see the pictures also. Guitar and its veena. The second one is wind instruments. Music is produced by blowing air into these instruments. For example, flute and trumpet. Percussion instruments. We hit the surface with hands or sticks to produce sound in these instruments. For example, drum and xylophone. Children, we can see here, this is a drum and this is a xylophone. Now, keyboard instruments. A keyboard is used to produce sound in these instruments. For example, piano and accordion. This is piano and this is accordion. Okay, so this was all about musical instruments. Now, I would like to know, how many of you like to watch movies? I am sure you all love to watch movies. So, the next topic is animated movies. Children, animated movies are films made by photographing a series of cartoon drawings to give them illusion of movement, when projected in rapid sequence. Some of the popular animated movies are Iron Man, The Lion King, Superman, Batman, etc. Children, now let's recognize these characters from popular animated movies. In the movie Iron Man, the main character is Tony Stark. Now, Lion King. Children, the name of the cub in the Lion King movie is Simba, and I'm sure most of you must be knowing it. Superman. In the movie Superman, the main character is Clark Kent. Yes, now a very popular one, it's Spider-Man. Peter Parker is the main character in this movie. Kung Fu Panda. Yes, children, the name of the panda in the movie is Po. Batman. In the movie, Bruce Wayne is the main character. Yes. Children, now the last and the next topic is fairy tales. And I know that you all have seen fairy tales. Yes. A fairy tale is a story about fairies or other magical beings. Fairy tales teach us about society, class, relationships, emotions, values and good and evil. We all love fairy tales and the lesson they teach us. Some of the famous fairy tales are Snow White, Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, etc. Now I have something for you. Children, yes, can we see? It's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Yes. Next is Beauty and the Beast. See children, you can see here. Cinderella. I hope you all will like it. The Little Mermaid. And this is Thumbelina. And the last one is Rapunzel. Thank you. So children, I hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you for being patient, and now what you have to do? You have to go through this video again. Thank you. Bye.